Hi, this is Gavin from On Spot Repair. This is talk about how to start up your tractor in around springtime. These are the key point that you try to do before you starting up your tractor in spring. The first thing is that make sure your battery is fully charged. Okay, either with a trickle charger or with any battery charger before you cranking your engine. That way you won't burn up the battery, you won't cause any damage to the electrical system. And another thing is ensure that all the tire is fully inflated to make sure that it's in the manufacturer required PSI. It's very important. If you drive around with a low air pressure in those tires, they'll fall off the beat. It is extremely hard for you to put it back on if it without the proper tool. Okay, and beside that, you also want to make sure there's no animal is living inside your engine. Okay, maybe do some hitting noise so they will leave the engine before you crank it. That's something that is really common. If you have a cutting deck underneath, you want to make sure there's no nest in between the belt and the pulley or belt guard, to ensure that there is no animal living in there while you're starting up your machine. Beside that, annually you should clean the deck or underneath the deck with a leaf blower, and by squeezing the leaf blower in between them, and you could get rid of all the excess of grass and leaf. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this will help you. If you need any service, just give us a call and we'll gladly help you.